Hello, this is Greg doing a quick review. I purchased a new multimeter, a ZOYI. It is a 20,000 count multimeter. Comes in a with a nice little bag and directions. The reason why I bought it was because I needed to use these low value resistors and I didn't have anything to check them. But this one actually, I'm gonna turn it on to ohms. This is not a review of the product so much. Oh, look at that, you can see it nicely. As that if you need something to check low ohms, this is the one that you want. Go over here. Excuse me, I'm gonna pause a second. All right, excuse me. And it's set on ohms and it's automatic. So this is a, well, let's flip it over here. This is a 0.1 ohm ceramic resistor. And look at that. Not sure why it takes a second or two to stabilize, but it does right there. So 0.12, 0.13. Let's do another one. Same type. And it's going right down. So, very good. Let's do one that's, how about the high side? This one is, oh, well. Stand back up there, little buddy. What are you gonna do? Give me issues now? Here, I think these little cords right here will make it a little easier. There we go. So, this is a 10K. It should do it fairly easy. They all should do it. Yeah, the kilo ohms in the top right corner there. So, about this one here is a 1 ohm. This should be a 1 ohm. Oh, don't touch both wires. 0.1. So, if you're looking for something that, if you're having a problem with low count, this one works. And right now it's on Temu for, can I do this really quick? Go to the internet, go to the Temu site, go to the orders page, and here and here. And let's go to the desktop, and there you go. Right now this is for sale. Today's date is 1/13/2025. And right now it's for sale for $23.26. It says it's a 46% off, normally $43.60, which now that I know that it works, even the $43.60 isn't bad, I guess. And remember that this one, unless you order a whole bunch, it's going to be $3 shipping. So just add $3 to this amount if you're in the United States. So it'll vary for wherever you are. Anyway, that's the end. Thank you for watching. Yeah, something that works good. Have a great day.